If you've recently stumbled upon Wexleey London while searching for eco-friendly or sustainable fashion online, you're probably wondering if this store is as genuine as it appears or if it's just another scam site using clever marketing to lure people in. At first glance, Wexleey London.com presents itself as a modern, ethical brand that claims to have 15 years of experience in the fashion industry. But when digging deeper, things don't really add up. The first red flag is that the website domain was only registered in July 2025, which means the company itself is very new and certainly doesn't match the long history they claim to have. This kind of mismatch between the story a brand tells and the actual facts is usually a warning sign that something isn't quite right. Another issue is the pricing. Almost every single item is being sold at massive discounts, some as high as 80% off, and while discounts can be real, it's rare for any genuine fashion brand to offer such heavy cuts across their entire catalog without a catch. Adding to the suspicion, many of the product images don't appear to be original at all, but instead seem copied from other fashion sites and marketplaces, which suggests that Wexleey London may not even have the inventory they're advertising. On top of that, the store provides no transparency about who owns it, who's behind the operations, or where the products are being shipped from. There's no verified business address, no team introduction, and no company background to reassure potential customers. Even more concerning is the absence of customer feedback, no verified reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, Reddit, or independent fashion forums, which means there's no real-world proof that anyone has successfully purchased and received items from them. For a brand claiming sustainability and ethical values, this lack of transparency and accountability raises even bigger questions. The use of green buzzwords like eco-friendly and sustainable without providing certifications, sourcing details, or clear practices makes it look more like a marketing tactic rather than a genuine mission. Taken together, all of these red flags paint a very uncertain picture about Wexleey London. It doesn't necessarily mean it's a guaranteed scam, but it does suggest that shoppers should be extremely cautious before spending money on the site, especially given the inconsistencies between their claims and the available facts.